We are going to replace our old vinyl seats with genuine custom leather seat covers. You can do that? Yes, you can. If you have a vehicle that you absolutely love but don't like the fact that it has cloth seats, there may be a cost-effective way to upgrade to leather in a matter of hours. Welcome back to another episode of Ingo's Car. Well, in this case, RV. Now, this video is about our Mercedes Sprinter-based RV, but it really applies for all Sprinter vans and just about every other popular vehicle that's out there. 3 years ago, we upgraded our F-150 behind us with a custom two-tone leather interior, and 40,000 miles later, it still looks like absolutely brand new.
It was seriously just cloth.
We spend a lot of time in our vehicles, and having a nice interior to slip into makes it just that little bit more fun to drive. Now, these are not seat covers. They go on just like your original factory upholstery. And the pattern is cut specifically for each model, make, and year. You go to their website, put in your vehicle details, pick your color and pattern, and they have installers all over America. On our RV, the vinyl seats were starting to look a little tired, eaten away, and they were starting to flake. Not just on the driver and passenger seat, but also on the armrest and on our dinette, which we also chose to upgrade. Now, for that, any boat upholstery place would do the job. But we also opted to add heated seats. Now, I got a couple of factory holes that we can run the wire through, run it underneath right here and run it to the fuse box. Well, I just spent 14 hours driving in these new seats, and the temperatures were in the 20s. So I'm really happy that we added the heated seats. They worked absolutely perfect. The seats feel more supportive, and they look fantastic, and they smell like brand new seats too. Now, for most vehicles, the seats have to come out. The original cloth is peeled off and then replaced with your custom leather interior. Just took off a few screws. Should pop right out. We're gonna take that inside, make it a lot easier on ourselves. We kept it pretty simple with our RV because we wanted to stick as close to the factory look as possible. I also think upgrading these seats adds value to the vehicle. If you enjoyed this video, check out my other video on upgrading our F-150. You can go to my YouTube channel or also Katzkin's YouTube channel. Until next time.